Moving, just keep moving till I don't know what to say. I've been moving so long.
Hi and welcome to WannaGoBiking, where we are just about to leave Dorchester. We had a fantastic stay in a little apartment here, really good. For now, it's off to a cafe. That is the climb that awaits. That's a tough one. First of many today, but hey, the sun's out again, so all's good. Well, as per usual, Arjan's getting away from me on the climbs, but that's okay. First stop of the day should be Cerne Abbas, if I pronounce it correctly. That is climb 2 out of 18. Almost done. Right, we are approaching Cerne Abbas, and that should be interesting. So let's see what the fuss is all about. Wow, hard work. So here we are, Cerne Giant, 60 meters high. We'll just have a closer look with the drone because I can't see much on the GoPro, unfortunately. Oh, they rechalk it every 7 to 10 years. All right. As I just read, the origins are not quite clear. That's to say, there's some dispute as how old it actually is, but yeah, who cares? It's absolutely funny, this, isn't it? Oh no. We're up again. Hey. Cycle repairs. Oh wow. Oh. Well, this is quite a sight. Sherborne Abbey. Beautiful. Right, now it's time to find some lunch. beautiful English country lane this is. Fantastic. Oh. Not tried it as of yet, so it's not a plus. The only minus is we have a 2k climb. Oh well. Another hill done. Yoo-hoo. Wow, what a beautiful track this is. Lovely. So we've just left Sherborne and are now on our way to Castle Gary or Gary Castle. Can't remember. Right, just stopped here at this to have a look at this lovely old tower. It appears to be a church of some kind. I mean, the landscape today is absolutely blissful. Really enjoyable. So now we are still making our way up to Castle Gary or Gary Castle. Still don't know. And probably a coffee stop. So we'll see you there. Another busy road. No fun. Well, what a beautiful day. Look at the landscape. So this is going to be the longest climb of the day. 3.4k, but only 3% on average, so yeah, should be manageable. Tunnel. Hayden. Right. Beautiful. Wow. What a view. Yay! Easy. Easy. So as you can see, we've arrived in Bath, so I guess we'll do some exploring of the city and look for an ice cream, so that should be that. Well, I'm sorry to say I don't know anything about Bath, except the obvious that of course it's an old Roman spa. But yeah, it's got a very nice look and feel to it. I'll just continue our tour before we head in for the night. Ooh, wow, it's been an absolute amazing day. Fantastic day on the bike. A bit long, everything's a bit sore, but it's so worth it. Beautiful country roads and yeah, a few main roads were a bit iffy, but other than that, fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed this video as well. Well, if so, just give it some thumbs up if you can, and I will see you in a next episode. But until then, enjoy your ride, stay safe out there. See ya!